So, welcome to Smart Tech Programming, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get free internet on your device for free, totally free. All you have to do is open your Play Store, search for this, search for this. So, install it. So, install. Once it's installed, then it'll be on your device like this. So, this is it. So, click on it. Then you see a sign of like connect. So once you connect to it, you're able to use this 1.2 gig internet for free without purchasing. Then you might not even have to buy data. You can just be claiming that reward. You can be claiming the reward every day, and you can redeem that. You can redeem that to buy internet over here. So that's what you have to do. Then what you all have to do is just click on the connect sign. Then wait for it to do its magic. Let it connect. It will connect to a virtual network. Like you see over here, it's already showing over here. So let's wait for it to connect. Searching for available network, connecting to operator network. So let's wait patiently. It's almost done. Done. Connected. Signal, strength, and silence. Look over up here. You see the sign Geniex is connected to the Geniex. It's not using my MTN network any longer. I'm connected to the Geniex virtual network. As you can see the sign over here too, that's the Geniex network showing over there. So that's how to get a free internet on your phone for free. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friend if this is helpful. Thanks.